Hey, what's up guys? Hunter from Show Her Off with the lovely and talented Elise from Dirt Road Dancing, and she's going to share some tips that I've noticed that she's very good at, which is dips. And I get a lot of questions about dips and styling for the ladies. So we're going to do kind of break down just a couple different body parts as far as what you should be doing and thinking about when you're in the dip. So we'll just do a basic dip.
Sure.
I'm going to throw you up in it right now. Woo! So when we get lifted up like this, okay, and just notice how she'll break it down, but just this is a very good looking dip from her end as far as styling, looking feminine, and also protecting herself. So let's break it down. What are a couple things that you are doing as you're led into something like that?
So the number one thing I would say is your core. So you want to keep your core strong, meaning you want to keep your frame still intact. So your shoulders should be back. You also want to be mindful that you don't want to give all of your weight to your lead, right? So that helps with keeping your core up. Also creating that balance for your legs. So with these types of dips that I go off of my feet, I keep my left foot straight, and you got to point your toe because you're dancing, right? So you keep that left foot straight, and then your right foot is actually going to be bent back behind.
Yeah, and then when she's talking about activating your core, and if you're not familiar with dancing, like what that means is you're basically flexing. Right, to an extent, like you're squeezing your abs, squeezing your butt together.
Squeeze your glutes, girl.
With shoulders back, it's like thinking of having a necklace on, showing off the necklace. So you have to mentally, I know for me, I had to mentally tell myself to do that until after a while, muscle memory takes over, and now I do it kind of permanently. But for newer girls, when you're being dipped, you have to just mentally say, squeeze my core.
Yes, absolutely. So you want to also bring your feet up to you, so you don't want to become heavier by bending forward. Let your frame fall. You can kind of arch your back just a little bit, but bring your feet up.
And then on the legs, so we'll show them the legs again here. So left leg is up. Yep, pointed, and then your right leg is bent.
And then my right leg is bent. And then depending on how you want to style this dip, you can drop your neck all the way back, or you can kind of keep it here, but I still have a hold of my lead, and I still have my frame and set and my core's in action.
And I'm making her talk while she's in the dip upside down. Any other? I think those are just some good things to focus on. And it's one of those things that with dance, especially if you're working to get to a higher level of dance, is don't try to do work on a million moves. Like if you want to work on dips for the night that you're dancing, say tonight I'm just working on dips, and then think about the tips that she just shared with you and just do that for the whole night, and that's it. And what's going to happen is that will install that into your muscle memory, kind of like an app on your phone. So then the dips get installed, and now the next time you dance, you can go pick another move and tip and install that. That's what I did as well.
Muscle memory.
Yeah, getting it through. All right, hope you enjoyed that. Of course you did. Click the like button down below, and we're good.
Thank you.
Yes. I had to make you talk a little bit upside down.